Hello, today we'll understand the functional component of the nervous system. In order to do so, we have to know the general arrangement of the nervous system. So, in the nervous system, we have two main components. One is called efferent, the other one is called afferent. From the brain and spinal cord, what goes out is called efferent. What information comes to the brain and spinal cord will be called as afferent. So, once you understand the efferent and afferent, then subsequent things becomes easy for you. So in the brain and spinal cord, for example, this is a spinal cord. We'll first understand spinal cord today. Tomorrow we'll see the brain. So basically we have somatic efferent. So what is this? The one which supplies the body wall is called as somatic efferent. The other efferent from the motor column will be visceral efferent, the one which supplies the viscera like the heart, the respiratory system or the gastrointestinal system. Okay, all this will be called as, can be called as visceral efferent. So what do you mean by efferent, sir? What does it supply in the body? The muscles, gland in the body will be supplied by somatic efferent. What will be supplying the heart cardiomusculature, the smooth muscles in the wall of the respiratory tract, the smooth muscles and the glands in the wall of the gastrointestinal tract, that is called as visceral efferent. So first we understood the somatic efferent and visceral efferent. So from this, what we can understand next up is from the body wall, from the surface of the skin, we get the information to the spinal cord like touch, pain, pressure, temperature, proprioception. All this information reaches the spinal cord from the body, from the skin surface. That is called as somatic afferent, because these information are reaching from the body towards the brain and spinal cord. So it's called afferent. Soma means body. Then from the viscera, how much the blood has to fill the heart, how much air has to fill the lungs, distension of stomach, sense of satisfaction that after eating the food, sense of thirst, all this visceral sensation is carried by visceral afferent. So here we are able to understand two concepts. There is something called efferent to the body and the viscera, that is somatic efferent and visceral efferent. And from this body wall, that is from the surface of the skin, general sensation like touch, pain, pressure, temperature, vibration sense, all these senses will reach the spinal cord. That is called somatic afferent. For the viscera, the visceral efferent, controlling the smooth muscles, glands in the wall of the GAT, respiratory tract, gastrointestinal tract, wall of the heart, blood vessels. So that is visceral efferent. The sense of distension of these organs, the sense of fullness, satisfaction of these organs, the sense of micturition, defecation, all these sensations will reach the brain and spinal cord, visceral